Force a push or pull on an object that occurs when it interacts with another object.
Oh. If I'm
That it is a vector quantity, and which means it has both magnitude and direction.
from where you are studying?
Yes, sir.
From where you are studying? You are reading this, na?
I'm not reading, sir. I am telling the definition.
Oh, great. So force is, this is a car. This is a car, right? This is a car.
Yes, sir.
And a man is pushing it, right? It is applying a force, and because of that force, car reaches to here, right? It reaches to here. So displacement takes place. Say it is S meter displaced, right? So displacement, right? So you can say displacement means change in position. Displacement is what? Displacement is change in position.
Yes, sir.
Change in position. Right? So any push and pull, any push or pull which brings which brings change in position of an object known as force. Force. So what is force?
Yes, sir.
What is force?
Sir, a push or pull on an object with the interaction of and with the interaction with another
What
object.
I said, man, any push or pull bring change in position of an object known as force.
Yes, sir.
Right? Then you have force is a vector quantity. Force is a what happens?
No, sir, I was yawning.
Why you are yawning, man? Force is a vector quantity. Right? It needs magnitude and direction. Right?
Yes, sir.
Its formula is F is equal to ma. Right? Where m is mass of object.
Any
And
push or pull vehicle?
A is acceleration. Right? F into ma, it means mass of object into acceleration. You get that?
Yes, sir.
So its unit is Newton. Newton. So we can write 1 Newton is 1 Newton is 1 kilogram meter per second square, or we can write 1000 gram into 100 centimeter per second square. So we can write 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square. That is known as 10 raised to the power 5 die. This is unit in CGS system. Getting?
हाँ sir.
And one more thing you have to keep in mind, that 1 kgf, 1 Newton is equal to 0.1 kgf is equal to 100 gf. Right? Or you can write 1 kgf is equal to 10 Newton. Right?
Yes, sir.
Great. You understand all this?
Yes, sir.
Great. Abhi, can you tell me what about pressure?
Yes, sir.
Pressure.
Pressure.
Yeah.
So pressure, sir. Let me recall, sir.
Yeah. Do you recall?
A force exerted per unit area on a surface.
You are giving very perfect answer. How can it be possible?
So because I have studied that things, that is why I knew it.
Even I could not learn this much. Anyway, it's good. So I'll take just few minutes. This is pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is force per unit area. Right? P is equal to F upon A. F is Newton, A is meter square. That is known as 1 Pascal. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton, 1 Newton
Pascal.
meter is, sorry, 1 Newton per meter square. Right? Do you know what?
Pascal. Nothing,
No,
sir. I mean
no, no.
Pascal.
You know what is thrust?
Thrust.
Thrust.
Sir, I don't know.
Thrust is a kind of a force. A kind of a force. Right? Suppose this is an object. Right? This is an object and force
Yeah.
force perpendicular to the surface. Force perpendicular to the surface, right?
Yes, sir.
Force perpendicular to the surface known as thrust, right? So thrust is a kind of a force. So pressure is equal to F upon A upon thrust upon A. Get it? You get this?
Yes, sir.
You make a note of it.
1 minute, sir. Thrust, sir, force perpendicular to the surface known as thrust.
Yeah. Visible now, all the things? You are not keeping your phone in one position. You are altering the position.
No, sir.
Yeah. You get this? One more thing. Pressure is directly proportional to force and pressure is inversely proportional to area, right? Or if force is, what happens? Force
Nothing,
constant.
sir.
When force constant, then pressure is inversely proportional area. On increasing area, pressure decreases.
Okay, sir.
On increasing, क्या लिखा मैंने? On increasing pressure,
Increasing area.
on increasing area, ना? On increasing area, pressure decreases and vice versa.
मेरे साथ भी वाइस वर्सा हो गया है.
Getting? On
Okay, sir.
increasing area, pressure decreases and vice versa. This is pressure is inversely proportional to area,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Pressure is inversely proportional to area.
Okay, sir.
This much is sufficient for today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay then, bye.
Bye, sir.